Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because we're opening up a new subscription today, Beachly. This is a big box too. So I've never opened this before, obviously it's new to our channel, but I've known about this box for a while and I've been very interested. This was kindly sent to me free for review. I don't have an affiliate link or a code right now, so I'm just going to link them down below, their website. I am going to ask for one though, so if anything changes, I will update that in the description. So I've always been interested in this. Even before I lived in Florida, I just love like beach life and like just beachy themes and everything and decor. So this is obviously a beach subscription. The name is Beachly, but it's quarterly and it's $99 per season and you get over $250 of beach inspired goods, like all different types of stuff. So I'm not really sure what. I tried so hard not to peek. I did like cut the tape, but I've not looked at what's inside yet. So how about we just get started and unbox? I'll just take a quick moment and say hi though. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and when I'm in town and there's not a hurricane, I open boxes pretty much every single day here on our channel. So I hope you consider subscribing. It really helps our channel out. And yeah, let's get started, you guys. So here is the box. What does it say? Vitamin C for your soul. And then hashtag beach every day. I love that. So when I open up, it says, hello sunshine. By ordering this box, you have helped protect and restore vital ecosystems, vital coastal my God, why can't I speak right now? But okay, let me start over. By ordering this box, you've helped protect and restore vital coastal ecosystems. A portion of proceeds has been donated to our partner, Sea Trees, who will be using your donations to restore kelp forests in Southern California, plant mangrove trees all over the world, and more. I love that. That's awesome. So here's a sneak peek of what's inside. I'm super excited. Let's see if there's any like paper in here or anything. I don't see that right now. So let's just go through the items. The first item I can use. So I used some hair product and now I feel like it looks oily, but I think we have some hair clips here. Salty Cali, California. Yeah, a little puka shell. Why can't I think of it? Like pins, bobby pins, puka shell bobby pins. That's really cute. But yeah, I kind of look like I was at the beach. Not really, but hopefully soon. Right now the beaches by me are being used for like helicopter pads. We're not going to talk about anything depressing. I'm so excited to get this beach box so I can still experience it. These look so cute, you guys. The next up we have the Salt and Umber set of 4 coasters. Look how cute these look. I think they all look the same. I love these. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Yeah, they all do look the same, so I'll show you one up close. On the back it says, handcrafted in India from sustainable mango wood. Each piece is a unique natural work of art. I love that. Super cute. I love this so far. Ooh, and it looks like we have a candle. Coconut scent soy wax candle. Vagabond's Goods. I wonder if it's going to be shaped like a shell. It's cute either way. Ooh, I think it smells like coconut. It is shaped like that shell. How cute. It smells like buttered popcorn kind of. But like, I think it's coconut. My scent is just, but this is super cute. I love the color too. This will look good in my bathroom. Really anywhere. I think this is where I'll put it. Let's keep going. I'm curious about the clothing in here. Let's look at this. Oh my God. I'm so excited. So they did ask me my size. These are like sweatpants and they look so comfy, and on it says Aloha Modern. I think that is the brand. It is drawstring, medium/large, and it has pockets and it seems so comfy. Oh my gosh. And at the bottom it has this. Why can't I think of the right word? I'm tired today, you guys. I don't know. Why can't I think of that word? Like a band. These are like lightweight and seem so freaking comfy. I love these. I seriously need more things like this. And like TMI, but I don't believe in TMI, especially here on our channel. You can share anything. It's day 1 of like my period, so I'm like, all I want to do is be loungy and stuff. So that looks perfect. And then there's like a windbreaker. Oh my god, I don't have one of these. I need this. It's actually a rainy day here today. This is perfect. And I like to go on walks. I got lucky today when I went on my walk. It wasn't raining yet, but this is perfect. Oh my god, and I love the colors. I seriously don't have one of these. This is so cute. What does it say on it? It says, what does it say? Sistra Void. I don't know. Oh, Sis Revolution. I don't know. Sis Revolution. Respect the Sea Revolution. Something like that. Why? I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm a little slow. But it has a hood. That's what I am most excited about. It has. This is perfect, like a windbreaker / rain jacket. Love the colors. It has pockets in the middle. Okay, so SISSTR. That's why I couldn't come up with that. It's SISSTR, which is like the brand name Revolution. Okay, that makes more sense now. I love this, you guys. This is awesome. And we have one more item in here. Oh, and I think this might have leaked a little bit. It says Beachley pumpkin. Oh, this is okay. Let me take it out of the bag. But yeah, I thought I saw some oil in here. Doesn't look like it leaked badly. It's all in this bag. Yeah, it's still pretty much full. What is it? It's all over my hands now. But I love. Oh, it's body oil. It has a light scent. Pumpkin and hemp seed body oil. It's called Golden Hour. Ooh, I am out of all body oils right now. I'm just going to put whatever's on my hand on my body. And body oil, it like dries really quick. So I'm glad that not too much of this leaks. Oh my God. By Cardia Osset. As I would say, it's 100 milliliters. It says Golden Hour transports you to the glowiest time of day. A dry oil that sinks into skin quickly and leaves you hydrated, not greasy. Pumpkin and hemp seed oils contain antioxidants, vitamin B, E, and all 3 omega fatty acids for your skin's barrier. Nice. I love body oils. I like go through this kind of thing so quickly. And like it does make your skin seem so much healthier. I like totally skipped moisturizing after my shower today, so I needed that. But that was everything, you guys. So we got that body oil. I mean, it's a little messy in here, but it's okay. It didn't leak too bad. And then we got the candle. The coasters, which I really think these are so beautiful. The hair clips, excuse me, super cute. And then these are my favorites, I think. These are like the stars of the box. Like we have a windbreaker and sweatpants, which you can use like for working out. You can wear these together, like going on a jog or a walk or whatever, going to the beach. And I think this is really appropriate for like a fall box too, because like when think of the like going to the beach in the fall, like it's a little bit cooler, so you might want something like this. It's like still really light, but you know it's protects you from like rain or you know whatever a little lower temperatures. It is gonna get down to like 58 or something one night this month or this week. I mean, so I think it's like still like 84 during the day though, but I live south and it's still gonna get cooler though. So that was everything in the box. I will link them down below, like I said, and I'll update it if I have any codes. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you, Beachley, for sending this to me. Thank you guys for being here and watching. Sorry if I'm super awkward and like fumbling my words. I just fumbled that word today, but anyways, I love you guys so much. And I will see you tomorrow. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.